welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be cleaning this kitchen before I head to work. So let's get started. Oh yeah, if you noticed, yep, that's the clean laundry and the chair in the living room. Disregard that for now, because like I said, this is before work and all I got time to do is this kitchen. So let's get to it.
There's joy in sorrow. There is no greater love than this. No greater love. I find peace in knowing I'm here. Feeling far away, but I'm close to you. You know me by my name, but I chose the world instead of you. Had no clue why the days were so blue. Only if I recognize you're not a man like you should lie with him. There's hope for tomorrow with him. There's joy in sorrow. There is no greater love than this. I find peace in knowing I'm here. Walking all alone on this weary road. Heavy burdens on my shoulders with no one to bear the load. Thought I could do it by myself, guess I was wrong. Then I heard a small voice say, this time you don't need to be strong. There's hope for tomorrow with you. There's joy in sorrow. There is no greater love than this. I find peace in knowing I'm here. Through him, with him, in him, I found my way out. And in him, I found my way out, way out. I found my way out, way out. I've seen the goodness of God. He never forgets about the one child who lost. If there's any consolation, don't be misled. You're never too far from the paths of righteousness. Oh, give it all to him. My body and soul, give it all to him. He will make you whole. He will be there right on time. Joy comes in the morning, it will be just fine. There's no question in my mind. He kept me all this time. The scars tell a story of my broken past, but he healed my mind so I know trouble won't last. 'Cause I know in the fire, your presence is all that I require. You'll never give me more than I can bear. Never alone. Why don't you just give it all? My body and soul, give it all to him. lost as an eagle, I found freedom in you, a peace which brings me through, deserving of worship in spirit and truth. The light of life shines through. Our greatest gift was you. But Father, your love never ceases, even in the midst of my darkest days. Love, it flows like a river and never ever seems to run dry. So if all the breath in my lungs, I'll raise a hallelujah. So if all the breath in my lungs, I'll raise a hallelujah. Here in my house, the ways of your past don't define you. Formed from the dust of this earth, true purpose was birthed. There is no promise that can be undone. I loved you that much that I deemed you worthy to receive my son. You saved me from the ways of this world, where Messiah reigns, everlasting love dwells. The one who is and will always remain. The wonders of Christ I still fail to explain. But Father, your love never ceases, even in the midst of my darkest days. Love, it flows like a river and never ever seems to run dry.